In Chapter 22 of To Kill a Mockingbird, the aftermath of Tom Robinson's trial is observed. Despite Atticus Finch's compelling defense, the jury still convicts Tom, reflecting the deep-seated racial prejudice in the society. The chapter begins with Jem, Scout, and Dill returning home from the courthouse with Atticus. Jem is distraught and disillusioned with the justice system, as he truly believed that his father was going to win the case given the irrefutable evidence in Tom's favor. Scout is also upset, but tries to cheer her brother up. Once at home, they find Aunt Alexandra and Miss Maudie trying to cope with the disappointing outcome of the trial. Aunt Alexandra seems somewhat defeated, but Miss Maudie is still hopeful. She provides comfort to the children by offering them some of her cake and speaks encouragingly about Atticus, highlighting his courage to stand up against what is wrong, despite knowing he would likely lose. She also explains that there were some men in this world who were born to do the unpleasant tasks, Atticus being one of them. When Atticus comes home, he seems defeated but not surprised by the verdict. Bob Ewell, Mayella's father, confronts Atticus with threats after the trial, clearly demonstrating the hostility that still exists. Despite this, Atticus remains calm, stating Bob has the right to blow off some steam after Atticus made a fool out of him in the court. Further in the chapter, Calpurnia, the Finch's housekeeper, brings in a food collection by the black community of Maycomb as a mark of their gratitude towards Atticus. Despite the loss, they appreciated Atticus because for the first time, a white man had shown commitment and made efforts to bring justice to a black man. The chapter ends with the discussion of Robinson's case among Jem, Scout, and Dill, where Jem comments about the unfairness of the jury system and suggests a change, a clear reflection of his anger and frustration toward Maycomb's racism. Scout also leans towards understanding the gross injustice that has occurred and starts to comprehend the complexities of the social rules in her town.